In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the ice chute retainer in your Whirlpool refrigerator. If you need to buy a new ice chute retainer, check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. We're going to remove the ice dispenser door from the fridge to make replacing this part easier. Open the ice dispenser door by pressing the locking tab up. Then, remove the 3 Phillips screws and remove the door. Now, insert a thin, flat tool into the slot to depress the locking tabs. Pry the tabs towards the outer perimeter of the retainer and work your way around. We found it easiest to start in the corner. This may be tricky. Then, if needed, carefully remove the gasket from the retainer. When shopping for a new ice chute retainer, be sure you're searching with the model number from the tag on your appliance to make sure you get the correct part. To install the gasket, align it to the retainer, being sure the notches in the gasket align with the tabs on the retainer. Then, make sure the small holes on the gasket are aligned properly on the retainer. Now, align the retainer and gasket to the ice door and press to snap back into place. Work your way around to ensure all the tabs are fully secured. Install the door by aligning the hinge and reinstalling the screws. That's it for this video. If you learned something new, hit that like button. And if you enjoy fixing things and want to see more videos like this and these, please consider subscribing.